Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can split a video in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video in Canva. This is just a template I have used in my sort of video project, and to split it, it is very easy. You have a couple of options which you can do. One is a shortcut, one is a more full-size, full-length process, and to do that, you are going to be using this sort of bottom editing slide or your video track, call it whatever you want. All you have to do is click on the part of the video that you want. For example, set it somewhere here in the middle, and for some reason it doesn't want to show, but yeah, pretty much what you need to do is select the part where you want, put the mouse over it, right click, and click this, which is sort of divide. Whatever it says, I have to translate it since it's not in English, but yeah, just click divide and it looks something like this, and it has split right now. Or additionally, you can just hover over it and press S, and or yeah, finally this tracker has appeared. I'm having glitches with Canva for some reason today. I am very sorry about that, but yeah, you just put this tracker to where you want it, and then just type S on your keyboard or click S, and as you can see, it can split the video in as many different parts as you want. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.